Shlí so an act was seo a gaiidir football le daine óga ó Cumán go Clúnaí agus Newhill. There was a Seoladh Shlí na Móna and Shlí Gaeltacht a hanna goach ar na malav at Accolation Clark. So tonight we're here at Ghaeltacht football with kids from Newhill and Cumán go Clúnaí. As part of the Bluebell Festival, Felling Clíní Gorma, we're launching Shlí na Móna, the new Gaelic walkway, which is in the local area.
We should have bilingual Irish-English signs. Because of the Dram Jarrig campaign, the council now has a policy for bilingual signage, requiring only 15% of residents to approve bilingual street signs. However, the British government removed Irish from our place names hundreds of years ago. We had no vote in the matter, but unfortunately we don't see Irish in these public spaces. Now this is Shlí na Móna, named by the young Irish speakers. We will continue this work to bring Irish back to our area. As Bobby Sands said, we must build a Gaeltacht in every street where we live. This is Gaeltacht of Shlí na Móna. Thank you for launching Shlí na Móna today.